unmatched success with most number of endorsements in 2023. We are thrilled to share our exceptional achievements in 2023. While most UK-based consultants have shut down the global talent visa process, Themis Technologies continues to excel and acquire an impressive number of endorsements. Many people lost hope after TechNation's announcement to halt endorsing global talent visa applications, but it didn't stop us. We have emerged as the leader, securing the highest number of endorsements for our valued clients. Our secret? It's all about our dedicated team and personalized approach. Let's take a closer look at how we work our magic. Vartul Goyal trusted us with his global talent visa application. Our skilled writers transformed his profile into a captivating story that ensured a successful endorsement. Sanjay Kumar Nishank, with 21 years of industry experience, sought our guidance to revolutionize the lending, mortgage, structured finance industry in the UK. Our strategic recommendations and expertise played a crucial role in securing his endorsement. 𝐷𝐵 Singh, a technological innovator and researcher, received our guidance in simplifying the documentation process. We highlighted his unique achievements, maximizing his chances of securing the Promise category endorsement. These are just a few examples of outstanding professionals who have achieved their global talent visa endorsements with our support. Their testimonials speak volumes about our commitment to excellence. But wait, there's more. We have successfully assisted numerous other talented individuals like Don't just dream of an international career, make it a reality with Themis Technologies. Join our exceptional community of talented professionals today and let us pave the way for your global success. Themis Technologies, leading the pack in acquiring endorsements.